My name is Abdurrahman Al-Sirgani, and I'm the founder of KnowMe, and it's a pleasure to be here today. Now, we all know the pain of opening a bank account. Well, physically, you need to go to a bank, first of all. Next, you need to sit with a customer service or customer representative. Third, you need to fill endless forms, and at the end of the day, it's a time-consuming and a costly process for both the bank and the consumer alike. Now, the problem is not faced only by banks and fintechs, it's also faced by other businesses that require to onboard customers securely and to minimize the risk of fraud. Our solution is simple. We provide businesses with real-time, easy to integrate and user-friendly APIs and development kits that would enable businesses to onboard customers securely. This is how it works. Now, the customer, first of all, will be asked to take a photo or to submit a photo of his personal ID, front and back. Next, our SDK will ask the customer, will perform a few actions in front of the camera. Those actions will prove that this customer is actually a real customer and that he's actually the same customer submitting the ID. Our solution is not only required by banks and fintechs, it's also required by telecom companies, real estate, delivery apps, ride-hailing, and home service and maintenance. Based on all the companies and businesses that we talked to, we divided our product into 4 different products. Now, first of all, we do ID verification. Second, we do what we call a liveness check. Third, we do face match. And last but not least, we do biometric authentication as well. Our revenue model is simple. Based on the product, we do cost per check or based on subscription for biometric authentication. This is our roadmap. We're planning to launch our first pilot in Q1 2020. By the end of the year 2020, we're targeting checking 100,000 checks per month. Early 2021, we're planning to move to other countries in the region using our same technology that has already been proven. This is our team. Myself, Abdurrahman Al-Sirgani. I'm the founder and CEO at KnowMe. Mohammed Al-Sirgani is the co-founder and the COO of the company. Together, we co-founded another company in the UK called BlaBla Connect. We launched our first app, BlaBla Connect, using the same name, and we're currently serving over 1,250,000 customers. Lately, we launched another app in the UK called Pass2, which is a money transfer service, and it's still in the early days. Thank you very much. If you're a business that requires customer verification or a bank or a fintech, please visit our booth or check our website for more information. Thank you.